Right, hello and welcome to this episode of Lowdown Garage. You join me with Lucas and we're going to take the Bimmy down to the unit at last. So it's the first time it's going to see the light. Obviously it's on the ground now, so I did actually do something in between the last time you saw it. But this is the one we've all been waiting for, the main car going down to the unit. So let's crack on and get it out the garage.
Zoom in on the cat and me.
Right, the wheel caps. The wheel caps.
Yeah. Wait, I had them on it, didn't I?
Did you?
For one day.
Alright.
That is a sexy ass.
Here we go.
Ready? You ready with it? That's the dude who's got his hot over. I don't know why did it. Forgot about checking the road for it. Yeah, right, I'm gonna run to end.
Bimmer. Towing in progress. Hello.
We're going well fast. And this Mondeo is right.
Going so fast right now.
This Mondeo is right up my arse.
Oh my god.
Watch him go around, what a dickhead, mate. You
You maniac.
Fiat 500 behind us, she's definitely going to crash
braking.
into the back of us. I'm braking.
Oh.
Fiat's nearly crashed into the back of me. Oh my god.
Oh. Better not scrape. You alright?
I'll just stop about here.
Lad's just holding his car still with the tow hook. No handbrake moment. Here we are.
There you go.
Vehicle.
In the back of a truck like that, like just a normal. I thought you were going to go over bump, I was getting ready to push hard. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I hadn't thought of that.
Did you just think about it then?
Yeah.
Like, and then you're like,
Just then I thought, you know what? Because the other thing's right, you know I'm on about putting it up on the ramps? Well, you need drive for that really.
yeah, well, you can get a bit of a run up if we pushed it to door.
But we can't though
Because you can't get the front
you
and the
need
back.
your front and the back.
Yeah. Well, you can. It's just very awkward.
So I'm going to try today,
Yeah.
but if I can't. The YouTube hasn't seen any of this. The YouTube, so later in this video, we are actually going to do a little bit more decoration of the Lowdown Garage. We've got a few more things about. For the moment, we've got bushes, so there's, you know, we are green around here, you know, we do think of the environment. We've got a couch, which has been done. We've got art, you know, we're artistic. And then we've got more art. Stunning. That's art.
Snowballs for the garage.
Snowballs, yeah.
Oh.
Right, let's, yeah. Sausage sarnie time. Fuck is sexy.
Hiya, Dad. It's close. Jeez! Well, we've used the ramps. Got it up on the lift. Right, go on.
That is very scary.
It's fine.
If this fell, that's my life gone. You know. There's my shit exhaust. We're gonna fix this. As you can see, that might be restricted.
That's me, sorry.
Scared the fuck out of me. That might... Key! That might be restricting some power. This is what we're here to replace. Hopefully we can replace it. First, let's give you a rundown. So, we're going to get the exhaust off out of the way. We're going to get the prop shaft off, which is here. And then we're going to get the gear linkages off, but we need to measure up for the new gearbox. We've got to take the full prop shaft out because we've got half of another one for the M3 gearbox. It's alright under here, like, it exists, you know.
I've just hit my head on the
I
tire.
made these.
Oh, yeah.
And the funny thing is, I took the front ones off recently and I can actually put them on for that. And stronger. So I might do that at some point.
Well, there's your engine mounts you did in the last episode.
Yeah. There they are.
Wow.
Little bastards. Well, you can see them quite clearly there.
Oh, yeah. Way more.
There's my nice power steering lines,
Yeah.
which hopefully are not leaking. Ow.
Sorry.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
What?
We had the leak.
Oh, no, where?
Fuck! Oh no, I bet it's come out of top at bottle.
Top at bottle.
The pressure, because I overfilled it to bleed it. This is how to fix an oil leak on an E30. You find it, you wipe it off. Exhaust removal.
We got the fucking exhaust out as a bastard though. There it is.
Oh, let's talk about it. Yeah, we're separating the prop at that little joint there. It's like a slip joint. If you look here, you can see the gears. See those gears? Yeah. There. So, split it apart there. Undo those two. Undo these. Don't split that yet then, Jake. Because we need to undo these first.
Good job, that's
Good reside in it sometimes, you know. See that collar? That you can't see because of torch? Like that. Right, now that's a bit loose. We'll loosen these now. These blues, when you come back around. Might come out now.
Might.
Might.
Oh, banger, I ain't heard this in ages. I know.
There we go.
Whoa! Hey.
Shaft! Good news! Other information, you're supposed to mark this on where they go because a prop shaft is balanced.
Oh.
Mine isn't anymore. So, don't mark because we're putting another one on so it won't make any odds. I mean, it can't be that bad, surely. Cut to the clip in like 3 months where we do 100 mile an hour and the whole car's going. We've got a shorter one of that to accommodate for the length of the M3 gearbox. And I don't know if it's going to work. It's all very much trial and error. Anyway, that's good. That's still very close to the top of that. And we're fitting a bigger gearbox in there. Right, that's it for today. Got everything off, if you have a look. All prop shafts out. Just need to get the gear linkage off, but I'm going to do that tomorrow because I need some small Allen keys. Let me show you the actual gear linkage. That's it there. So that is for tomorrow. So we're gonna get that off tomorrow. Hopefully, maybe get the gearbox out tomorrow. I'm gonna do some decorating of the unit as well. So stay tuned for that. So seeing like that'll be in now. Right, we're at the unit and the bimmy is on the lift. There you go. And we've come back to fit the mirror. So we're gonna do that bit of unit update, and we're going to, we're gonna basically do a bit of a unit update, just hook the mirror up, and then, you know, you can ask what you want about the unit, the bimmy, anything. So let's crack on. Right, we're gonna try to see where we want the mirror. We know we want it there, but we don't really know. Like, no, we can't go above that. We need to measure that with something.
It's the perfect pen width.
Is it?
Pen length, yeah.
Pen length, where? Can you see it? Yes, you can.
So you want the hole roughly there.
Wonder who's here. Yeah.
It's pretty fucking straight. It's not that bad.
That is really straight. Right. Thank you for watching this episode of Lowdown Garage. I hope you've enjoyed. Obviously we've put the mirror up now, the unit's looking a lot better. So make sure to comment what you want to see us do to the unit next, and look forward to the bimmy getting fixed a bit more next week. So for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.